Tang hapo ji Snem ke jela Meghalaya ke Kiew bank na kerdan ke badan hatrai sia kerdan basalor ha performance grading index ni PGI 2.0 ke bala pelai de tenat puli Puthi ke sokal India. U menteri ke tenat puli Puthi ke jela ba Lahkmen remboi ulaong ba na pedang ki khalai tli ke jela ha kari ke Meghalaya ke dai ke Kiew Sted tam ha ke PGI. Katkum ke kaifot jong ke PGI 20 2.0 jong Snem aja pesan apun reu ke tenat puli Puthi ke India ke Meghalaya ke Kiew ha ke jiyo ke dan na ke saus pa sopu pra hau aja pesau apsan sia kesan spa apsan penyep wei hau apsan apun reu bat na ke akan si 3 sia ke akan si 1 ke Jingkiew da atli ki kret ha ke juk ke Snem ulaong baka jela Meghalaya menta kadon hak kedan akan siwan rengkat kiwe gijela kum ke Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Tripura, Jharkhand, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, bat Jammu and Kashmir. Kani ke jing job kalong na ke jing penwan bul thumai ka puli Puthi ki ba ka soka Meghalaya ka sim ha kini ki pras nem blale. Ka jing yok kedan PGI ke Meghalaya ka keu na ka South pa iwei point fu ar hau aja apu a apply sia ka South pa khat nyo point khat khandai house name aja apply apsau nangta ka keu South pa sopu pra house name aja apsau apsan bat san spa apsan point nyo fuai ha wa aja apsan aja phunreu bat kani pen I ba ka jela ka keu si spa apsau point kebalong life way percent tang ha kini gi license kani ki jingkeu ki jela ka PGI ranking kadai na kesenjam kesuka ka sim ha kini kisem balik klem tengkai syu ban kentiu ya ke puli Puthi la ong menteri ka performance grading index kadai ke sandur trikam jeng kesuka India ban bisyar bat pej benia ya ke puli Puthi ha ki school ha keleng ki jela bat ki union territory ka PGI 2.0 ka bisyar ki jela halo ke nyop nyopoteli ki dak jingkeu ha ki hendreu teli ki benta kata ke learning outcome and quality, access, infrastructure and facilities, equity, governance processes, but teacher education and training, dapat pendonkam yaki data naga UDIS, Paraks, Rastria, Subsection, PM Posyan, Praban, but Bijan Jali.
Regarding the PGI score, because as you know that every year Meghalaya is at the bottom. But since 2018, and if you recall that in every briefing, in every uh, thing, we used to say that Honorable Chief Minister has already mentioned that education is a top priority. And we told you that we are working towards achieving the quality education in the state of Meghalaya. But on 2022, when the first PGR score was given, we have seen our score. Subsequently, during last 5 years, we have seen there is an improvement. But that improvement, it is not reflect in the ranking because as Honorable Chief Minister mentioned other day, there are so many factors which we don't do. Having said that, I'm very happy that in this year 2025-26, the latest PGI ranking which have been released by the Ministry of Education, that the Meghalaya education in Meghalaya have jumped from the Akanshi 3 to Akanshi 1. If you recall, 2024-25, Meghalaya is the lone state which are in Akanshi 3. And we inform you that in the next PGI score, we will It will reflect all the work, the hard work, which the government of Meghalaya and all the stakeholders are doing. So that's why reading from Akanshi 1, there is Akanshi bracket, but we jump straight from Akanshi 3, there is Akanshi 2, but we jump straight to Akanshi 1. So no state since the inception, since the institution of this PGI score has able to jump 2 grade in 1 year. So this is a very happy moment for the education department and more importantly for the people of the state. As I used to say that it is a work in progress. When the people are thinking that the Meghalaya is always at the bottom of the ranking, we admit. But we know that we are doing a great work. That's why let me quote the words of Samuel Smile. Great results cannot be achieved at once, and we must satisfy to advance in life as we walk step by step. So this progressive in ranking in quality education since 2018 under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister is because we have identified what we have to do, and more importantly, we are doing what it is need to be done. Having said that, Having said that, this particular performance will not happen without the contribution of everybody. That's why let me quote unquote from Henry Ford. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success. So this result is the working together from the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The officers in the education department from Commissioner Secretary, Barmantry, and the other officers who are working before also. And the officers at the directorate, the officers, the DSEO, the SDSEO, the BRC, the BRP, the teachers, the managing committee, the parent. It is all the collective responsibility of each and everyone. They contribute to this achievement of this ranking